Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of losing rounds because you don't know how to use your grenades? Proper utility is a game changer, and it's what separates the ranks. Today I'm going to give you some of the best and most essential grenade spots on two of the most popular maps in CS2, Mirage and Inferno. Master these and you'll instantly see your win rate go up. Let's get right into it. Let's start with Mirage. This map is all about control, and these grenades will help you lock down key areas. T-side. A-side push. The most common push on A-side relies on the two critical smokes. From the T-spawn area, you can throw a smoke that lands on stairs and another that blocks off jungle. These two smokes cut off the main vision of the cities and allow your team to plant the bomb in the open. Mid-control. The mid area is a constant battleground. The most important smoke here is the window smoke. You can throw a smoke from a T-spawn or mid-apps that perfectly lands in the window, blocking the sniper's line of sight and allowing your team to move up and take control. For the CT side, A-site retake. If you lose control of the A-site, a well-placed smoke can save the round. A smoke for the connector blocks the T's retreat and gives your team a chance to push out. B-site hold. For B-site, a great utility spot is a Molotov for apartments. Throwing this Molotov as the terrorists are pushing in will stop them in their tracks, buying you crucial time to get help from your teammates. Now for Inferno, this map is famous for its close quarters combat, and these grenades will give you a huge advantage in those tight spaces. Let's start with the T side. B side push. Pushing B side is often a coordinated effort. The key here is to smoke off the city positions. You can throw a smoke from the banana area that lands on the coffin spot, and another that blocks the cities in the city spawn area. These smokes create a safe path for your team to enter the site and plant the bomb. A-site push. On A-site, a very useful grenade is a smoke for library. Throwing this smoke from the arc area will completely cut off the sightline from the library, allowing your team to push into the site with less resistance. Let us have the city side. B-site hold. The early round battle for banana is everything. A crucial early smoke is the banana smoke. This will block the terrorists from pushing up, buying your team time to get into position. A-site hold. If you're holding A-site, a smoke for the mid area from the A-site balcony will prevent terrorists from rushing through the short tunnel. This is a great way to slow down a quick push. So there you have it. A few of the most essential grenade spots on Mirage and Inferno. Remember, the key is to practice these lineups so you can throw them quickly and accurately in a real game. Start with just a few of these, master them, and I promise you'll start seeing a huge difference in your gameplay.